Welcome, welcome. So we don't have a market open, as we all know it, right? But we're still gonna have some fun. Keegan Murphy, hello there. Happy Turkey Days. What's happening? Itai, welcome. Son of Wall Street entering the building. The TNT team is, don't worry, we're gonna be back soon. I'm always here. The Punisher, good morning. Cheryl, hello there. Leon, welcome back. Farhad, good to see you again, man. How's it going? Norbert, hello, VUZHX. It's a cool music. I like it. Have a nice day, you too. Jan, good morning or evening. Hello. Doing great, thank you. You know, kind of curious if we're going to have some volume surge here. No market open, as we all know it, but let's just wait and see. Mr. Brion, hello, good afternoon. Devil, hello. Leah, welcome. Let's go. Let's go. Martin, good to see you back. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Yeah, well, the futures market is technically open. It's another question if we're gonna see any volume. The only thing I'm gonna do is maybe work a little bit on some accounts here and there. Honestly, I'd like to see Asia high being taken out. So I don't know. Will be interesting. It will be interesting for sure. Asia high is 39. Let me see. Can we get the 30? Now let's go for Asia high. I do have two positions open, only solely based on the indicators. So I'm gonna use this for testing purposes, basically. I'm gonna use my time for testing purposes and we'll see what happens. And just to show you guys what I was thinking, what is going on? Is there an update on Quantower? I think there is. I might have to update this one. Let me show you what these fancy indicators are showing right now. Nothing special. All right. So here's NQ according to the indicator, and here's gold. Now both of these are showing a bullish move here, so that's going to be interesting. Hey Jake, good morning. What's happening? Yeah, it's holiday. It's holiday. I know. I'm aware of it. I know. I just need to update Quantower real quick. By the way, if you're using Quantower, always make sure to update Quantower, because you know we don't want to be held back by a glitch or something. Okay. Hello, Mark. Welcome. Good afternoon. Yeah, we're doing an individual stream again. All by myself. Again. We are on our island here. We are in a safe place, everybody. We're all in a safe place. Here in the stream, everything is safe. Aloha DGLX, hello. Good morning. Randall. Yeah, half day, exactly, Randall. So 1 p.m. is going to be a market close. So I'm not really planning on anything special. I'm just kind of curious if we see, you know, anything. Shenanigan, hello. At least I can prove that when the market acts like this and there is absolutely no volume, it's just suicide to trade. Or I'm not gonna do anything. Let's see how this looks like. Oh, you haven't loaded in yet. Okay, I'm still loading in the quant tower things. Yeah, so there is a long signal here. It's not like a perfect signal, that's for sure. So the way it look at, here's the, oh, sorry, yeah, there it is. Here's the signal area, and this would be the stop loss. Now there's a problem with this. We are missing a blue dot here. Anyway, here's the gold position and here's the NQ position. Both have been signaled on this indicator. So on gold, the entry level is somewhere here in this area. Stop loss level would be somewhere down there. And of course, 1-to-1 standard deviation wise, I'd say we enter around here. Oops, sorry. When we enter around here, that would put us 44 ticks. TP is at 94.7, exactly like on the chart. So 94.7. All right, that would be TP1. Perfect. So that's what we're looking for. And our NQ trade is not looking that good. So now it's reversing. As you can see on the 5-minute, it's pretty much not good. 15-minute is also like pretty much tired. This one might gonna go to the dumpster. Yeah, it seems like it will. But it's a test account. So. Yeah, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Hey, Coach Fred. Hello. Good morning to you too. What's happening? Oh yeah, I'm thinking that this might have been a bad choice on NQ. Yeah. I might have to do something about this. It could go lower. Anyway. So the gold trade is still valid. NQ is still valid, but I don't think that it's going to be valid for too long. It's 97. I think it wants to go lower. Let's wait and see. But the gold trade is actually looking good, right? Chess Trades, hello. Drac, good morning. Hikari, good to see you back. And Cav is here. A Fartcoin a good investment? I think for the long term, it could be good, you know? Not financial advice. For the long term, who knows? It's kind of a tough question, man. I know. It's kind of a catchy name. Who knows? It could be. All right. Oh, excuse me. So this is might be the thing that we're gonna see here. There's no open, so but usually we see some sort of a liquidity surge in the markets. Hard to say. Nico Loco, hello there. Yeah, it's gonna be a boring session. I'm not planning to be here for too long. I'm just kind of curious if we're gonna see any kind of, you know, even when we had, you know, any kind of holiday this year or last year, it was interesting to see there were some movements in between like 10 a.m. until lunch hour. I was actually surprised that there is at least one major move happening in the New York AM session. I'm not saying we can all catch that, but usually there could be a major move. So we'll see. All right, I closed everything here because this was just a small position. I don't like what I see here, to be honest. I really don't like what I see. Yeah, there you go. I think I did the right thing. So, yeah, I closed everything. I have no positions on. There you go. I'm flat. No positions. Should have waited for the so-called open, but still the reaction that we see here, check NQ. We have this 281 since yesterday PM session. I think it's like, it's very interesting. This 281 level. I don't know. That's what I would call sell side right there. Is TOMSABO coin good to full port? Yes, yes. When I will create my official coin, it's gonna have a cool name. I expect everybody to full port that coin. I promise I'm not gonna do a rock pull. Wink. Oh my gosh. At least I'm not planning to do that. So I don't have those kind of plans. All right. NQ is back into the range. Gold could be pushing higher on the new contract. 4,200 is pretty close. Yeah, what a move here. What a move. Ba-da-da-dum. Ba-da-da-dum. I don't know. We're gonna see. I mean, we're gonna check if anything happens at the 10 a.m. hour, and we'll see. Sabotooth, yeah, maybe. Is this an honest? Of course it is. I would never rock pull anyone. I would never do that, guys. I never, ever, ever. What's happening on Bitcoin? It wasn't a big dump. It went down like $1,000. It's nothing for Bitcoin, but we'll see. I'm mostly curious about what is going to happen after 10 a.m. You know, that could be interesting. That's exactly what rock pullers are saying. I would never do that. I couldn't do a rock pull. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Turtle Soup, to 8 a.m. candle. Okay, let's see. The 8 a.m. candle. I mean, this here. Oh, that's gold. Sorry, that was gold. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Went down. Interesting, yeah. Definitely interesting. What is at 10 a.m? Nothing. It's just a new hour, Pip Drunk. Nothing special. It's the mystified silver bullet hour when every miracle happens. Miracles can happen between 10 to 11, but yeah. I'm just curious if we're gonna see any kind of volume. if any big player is willing to participate in the market, we could be seeing something maybe in between 10 to 11. I highly doubt it that there's going to be anything, but you know, you never know. You never know. You know, on days like this, maybe we should trade Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's trading like it's no tomorrow. No, actually, you know, it looks great, but excuse me. Okay, gold is going nice. I like that. But how far can it go? I wonder if it will break higher. I mean, gold. Can it really go? That's the big question. Or is it going to reverse? Look at this. Look at this bullish pin bar. Anyway. Well, maybe gold is not gonna go. Maybe it's not ready to go yet. So, let's see what's going on with NQ. Good morning, Hadley. Welcome. Is Shiva the goddess of destruction? Maybe. I'm not sure. Can't confirm it. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe. I mean, it must be have some kind of a meaning. I don't know if it's a coincidence or not. Hard to say. I know, Babe Drunk. It is a waste of time. That's why I'm just gonna see if we see any kind of movement after 10. I'm actually curious. So if nothing, well, at least we did what we could. Clarity, hello. I know, RBA. That's why this is going to be a short stream. We'll see if the new hour will bring us something or not. If not, then it's still good. It's still good. Maybe we can use this time to, like, I don't know, do some back testing, maybe look for some zones or something like that. That could be also good. Yeah, exactly. I agree. I agree. Typical holiday volume. That's true. Yeah, the market experience is telling me that this is just not going to do anything. I was thinking that maybe something will happen. Gold is not moving. So, again, this could be one of the shortest stream we have. Good morning, Funded Day Trader. Hello. Tomorrow, futures market is going to be open. So, I don't know about the bank holiday. Anyone knows if there's going to be a bank holiday tomorrow? Let's see. It's a regular day in the markets. Natavius Simmons, hello, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks for joining. Welcome. Exactly, Hadley. No sense of forcing anything. Crystal Jackson, hey, welcome to the channel. In short, 24 micros to 500 SHMQ. Okay. Personal account. Okay. Well, good luck with it. Thumper. Have you asked yourself if your direction finger would reach it? You know, that's an interesting question. Never really thought about this, but interesting conversation piece there. Tomorrow is another half day. Okay, then we are not expecting really anything to happen here. Yo, Double Deep, hey there. Holiday tomorrow, same as today. Okay, then there's not much to do. There's really not much to do. By the way, tomorrow on MyFunded TV, there's going to be a short stream, I think, about the Black Friday things and some other stuff. I think, I don't know. P Doggy Trades, hello, welcome. Okay, nothing is moving. It's official. It's official. Nothing is moving. You know, I just like to see the market drop down to that sell side at 281.25. That would be really something. And, you know, hashtag for the stream, because it's a holiday special, right? And we usually don't do anything crazy. I full ported an Apex evaluation account just for fun, you know. So as we speak, there is an Apex account suffering from full porting. So if you guys care to see, oh, that's not the one. This is the one. So, just a second. There you go. If you guys would like to watch this one, how to full port an account into oblivion, this is the perfect time to be here. Let's all pray and watch this Apex account to survive. No stop loss because, you know, that's a lifestyle choice nowadays. Unfortunately, the drawdown level is not so good. Okay, 47.28. That's not good. Not too much of a drawdown here left. A pass and smash situation. Hashtag for the stream. So everybody start praying for this Apex account. Because why not? You know. Thanksgiving full port. Don't do this at home, folks. And I'm not doing anything else with this. Let's just watch what's gonna happen. Are we gonna get it or not? Most likely not, by the way. Before you think or say anything, most likely we're not gonna get out of this alive. So... oh my gosh, Methodical Man is here! Methodical Man, we need your expertise. I just full ported this Apex account for Thanksgiving. You know, this is how I express my Thanksgiving thoughts through the markets. This is not financial advice, everybody. Apex thanks you for your service. I know it's intraday drawdown. It's going to be difficult. If I shave my back, I'll pass. All right. Francisco Cree, what's happening? Welcome to the channel. How's it going? And you know, the funny thing is, this is with micros, so not even mini. I was too lazy to switch to the mini chart. So this is 100 micros. Imagine that. Wow. Oh my gosh. The problem is, yeah, is with the intraday drawdown, we're gonna get blown up before it's reaching the TP. That's the problem with the 100 micro. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Holy feast, yeah, it should be going through, if you know. But you know, see, this is the problem. This retracement could easily blow up the account. Easily. 100 USD on fees. Yeah, we like that. Yeah, unfortunately, this is over. This account is done. Oh yeah, 49k. Yeah, it's pretty much done. But we tried, you know, we tried. Yeah, tomorrow also is a half day, so we'll see if we have any volume. Srinu, hello. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. The power of trailing drawdown. Exactly. Exactly. I can't full port. This is a full port. I just have to make $100 more. I'm okay. Don't worry. I'm fine. This one will go down. I don't know why you guys are so pessimistic. This is gonna easily go down to 281. It's not even an issue. Do you know if MyFundedFutures will have some deal? Yes, they're gonna do a deal with the pro accounts. That's all we know because it has already been announced. So I can't tell you the details, but I think it's gonna be exceptionally good. Very, very good. Yeah, Asia was much better than this. I know. I know. But not profitable, yeah. This is not a profitable method. Just saying. Well, I did grab a few. I mean, I will grab a few more until December 2. We can grab some AFEX accounts, which we will. So, but other than that, I'm not interested in this market right now. Dark Web, hello. Thank you for joining the stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh my gosh, we have Ash G, the party shirt trader. Ash, thanks for being here. Ash is a legend. I'm banned with Apex, no new evals. Oh no. Oh, why is, come on. The dark web is coming for me. That's not good. I don't like that. I don't want that. Trailing drawdown, yeah. Oh man. The party shirt trader, everybody. Officially. Guys, the party shirt trader is a legend. Ash is he's a legend, everyone. Search for his name. The internet will never forget. He is the man. The party shirt trader, really? He's a legend. I was just failing constantly and being in the deepest, darkest year of my life while the party shirt trader was making profits partying next to the pool somewhere in Thailand, or I don't know, but he was living life already. True story. This is how it is. Koopsa, hello. I don't pass the 100k Apex account assessment with the 6 day. What? If I don't pass, I have to active. Will I have to activate the account with the full fee? Yes. Yes, you have to activate the account with the full fee. But I think it's still like, how much is that? Like, are they going to stay with the 80 or 140 for lifetime? Worst case scenario, you can still go with the monthly. Honest guy, just subscribed. Hey, welcome to the channel. 21 seconds to go. until the new hour, and that's gonna put us into a difficult position. Back in the land of smiles now. Nice. Vida loca. My gosh. You see, the guy is living the life. So here we have the 10 a.m. hour here, the new hour. Not looking good for us, unfortunately. Oh man. Come on, why can't it just drop down? All we need is basically like 12 points. Made a bet. You're long? Oh my gosh. Polisher trader is... Oh no, we're against each other. I don't want that. Well, you know, I'm perfectly comfortable with this. I'm full porting a short here on a cheap evaluation account from Apex. I'm gonna grab some more, don't worry, but this is the only one I'm willing to sacrifice hashtag for the stream. Usually, by the way, take it or leave it, trust me or not, usually out of 10 full ports, I usually make at least 4, well, around 4 on average, to pass to a funded. So it might not be the one yet. The odds are not with me, but oh my gosh, Ash is not giving money to Apex. Well, I understand. I completely understand. I completely understand this. You know, it's for entertainment purposes only. And the dirtiest are the best. The cheapest and the dirtiest. Philcos always gotta go with the cheapest and the dirtiest, you know. Cannot stand them. Yeah, I know you guys love Apex. I know. I feel the love. And love is in the air. I know you guys love Apex. I know. They're the cheapest. But hey, there's one more fact that I'm not debating here, Headley. God forbid, I don't want. But they still paid out more than $500 million to traders. I mean, that's not a bad number. So, I mean, not too many prop firms were able to do that. Let's see. What is happening here? It seems like this is what we're gonna see until the end of this trading session. Yeah, I mean, with the new rules, I agree, Polisher Trader. With the new rules that they come out with last year, that was definitely making everybody's life a little bit more difficult. Yeah. Well, this is the holiday market, so we're not really expecting to see anything, right? Gold is better. And the problem is we are hooked into this full port account. But don't worry, we're going to blow it up real soon, and we're going to move on to gold, maybe. Yeah, I mean, again, I'm not debating with anyone. I completely understand that the new rule sets and everything kind of gave a bad reputation to Apex, and it started last year when they started to change everything. So it was more than a year ago now. It was actually like 14, 15 months, 16 months ago. Everything started to change. And I know it was difficult. Throw 70 bucks at something, see what magic can happen. It really is better than a casino, guys. Really. Better than casino. I mean, why would you go to a casino when we can have some fun here? Yeah, I mean, they do allow 20 accounts. Honestly, I don't really want to copy trade 20 accounts. Even if every prop firm would let you to copy trade 20 funded accounts, I don't really want to copy trade those many funded accounts. Try funded. You know what? I think I have to. No activation fee and 20% right now. Wow. I have to try it out. I think it's the best time to try them. That's actually good info there. Let me move this a little bit here. So we're stuck here. The market is officially unplugged. All right. SG. All right. I will. I would like to smoke a cigar and have a vanilla cola. Well, it's up to you, Phil, because, you know, we live in a free world. At least that's what we think. It's free, but we are all living the matrix, right? That's what they tell you. Any news? Black Friday deal? It's going to be a pro account deal. That one I can tell you. It's going to be a pro account discount, but I can't tell you the details. But it's going to be, I think it's going to be the biggest deal for the pro account so far. Yeah, I'm just fooling around with an Apex evaluation account. I'm full porting it, you know. Full porting an Apex account here. I think they are, Simba. I think the 25K accounts are underrated. Mathematically speaking, and if you know how to handle risk management and trade small size base hits, you have quite a good chance to pass those accounts and get payouts, I think. On MyFundedFutures, there's no 25K account. I'm talking about, yes, the pro accounts at MyFundedFutures. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, Apex is, I mean, yes, the upfront cost is cheaper, and yes, the activation fee if you pass in one day during the promo is cheap, but yeah. It better be less than 120. TOMSABO and Apex have dirt cheap accounts on the 100K account. I know exactly what's it going to be, but I can't tell you. I can't. I've been strictly instructed not to say the details. All I can tell you is that it's going to be a pro account Black Friday deal, at least. Maybe something else is going to happen. I don't know, but all I know is going to be a pro account. I mean, I know more, but you know. What do you think about silver in the session? Oh my gosh, I don't think I ever trade. I mean, I traded silver maybe years ago on CFDs. In this session, I mean, if gold moves, I've been told from people who are trading silver that it moves actually quite nicely during normal market conditions. It moves very fast. I haven't really traded, so I can't tell you anything about it. Till when is the $40 PA activation? Until December the 2nd. So if you pass the account on the 2nd of December, you can still activate it on the 3rd of December. So the last day, that's basically a full porting action, I know. Then you can still activate it with the cheap lifetime activation fee. If not, you can still activate it later with the regular fees, which I think it might gonna be at $80. Worst case scenario, 140 lifetime, or you can choose the monthly. Oh no, this account is done. Well, a moment of silence. I think this account is pretty much done. Almost blowing up there. One more spike and it's done. We tried, guys. We did. We did. I would be very surprised if this would go down now. This was the old college try. Yeah, it's gonna go back. It's gonna go up to that fair value gap, so it's pretty much done. Ash is slowly I knew it. I knew he's smiling. There you go. It's done. All right. Thank you, account. How is it still there? How is the account still alive? It should have been liquidated up there. Come on. Just finish up with the move, Apex. Anyway. What is going on here? This account should be blowing up, by the way. This account is done. Why is it still alive? I don't know. Don't worry, now it's gonna happen. Yeah, so oh, I forgot what I wanted to say. Yeah, so there will be a great deal at MyFundedFutures. Otherwise, I totally forgot that tomorrow is a half day as well. I thought that. Anyway, I'm thinking about what can we trade in London session. Then what if tomorrow London session is going to be exactly the same? It's not good to watch paint dry. I don't know. It should have blown up below 48,100. I could see that the balance was down 48,070. Oh, sorry, 49,000, not 48, 49,075. And the blow up level, actually, I can show you here. Oh, it missed it with $40. Now it's going to blow up. Okay, now it's done. Now it's done, everybody. A moment of silence for this account. A moment of silence. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Okay. We tried. So it goes back into this range. What else? Yeah, I'm not gonna try one thing. I have more evaluation accounts. I'm not gonna fool around. This was the only one for the stream. Soybean connoisseur. What? Yeah, markets close at noon, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard. Ash smile is getting bigger. Fade me more. I can't fade you. I'm not going to sacrifice more evaluation accounts here. No, sir. Yeah, I mean, I don't want. Your good luck charm cost me a bit of money. I mean, yeah, even though it's cheap. Cheese futures. I never heard about them. Cheese? Is there cheese futures? Yeah, gold is back into the to the middle here. I don't see any reason to trade this. Let me check the indicators again. Yeah, reversal here. On NQ, not really happening anything. Okay. All right, nothing on gold and nothing on NQ. This is not a valid long position, and on gold this is not valid as well. So yeah, just inside the range. I have an algo that prints me 400 to 800 USD a day. That is wow. That is a real life hack there, Party Shirt Trader. That is a real life hack. Peanuts and oysters and pickles. My gosh. You are absolutely welcome, Martin. This was exactly the thing that you should not do at home. It's actually not even funny. Or we're not doing this. It was good for fun and once for the stream, but that's it. I'm definitely not trading any of my funded accounts under these conditions. But yeah, it looks like it might gonna go higher. That's not a valid entry. There you go. I just wanted to, I mean, sorry, I'm just reading the end of the sentence there, Martin. Yeah, I wanted to show you exactly what is full porting. This is full porting. But don't do this. Don't do this at home. I think it's a waste of time, guys. I think it's a waste of time. I mean, for trading, being here with you guys is awesome, but what else can we do, right? Request a PayPal donation after the balance and not buy a new account to only full port. Oh yeah, I know I'm not gonna do that. Even if I would be having donations to full port accounts, I just could not full port. You know, I couldn't pay for accounts for more accounts to full port, specifically to full port. That would be just a waste of money. I mean, this was a waste of money in a way, but that was it. We're not doing a habit from this. Live gambling, yeah. Woman goes into the grocery store. She's buying a cucumber. The cashier says to her, "Why didn't you buy two?" So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Philcos. All right. Time for giveaway. I just gave away my money to the market, to Apex. Now we're gonna have a very cool giveaway. I actually finished up with the video. I finished up with the cool giveaway video. I think I should upload it tonight. There's gonna be a form attached to the video. If you guys can fill out the details, everyone can participate. There's gonna be 5 accounts, 3 from Apex, and no, actually 6. 3 from Apex, 3 from Take Profit Trader, and I will try to get more something from MyFundedFutures. It might gonna be core accounts. And if you fill out the form, we're gonna do a stream next week to pull the names, right? That's it. That would be great. Everybody send $5, yeah. No, guys, actually, I'm thinking we should be just, you know, throwing the towel on this market because there's not much to do with this. So it was interesting to see what it does at the not the open and at the 10 a.m. Session here, but that's it. I think everyone, we tried, we gave an old college try, and it's nothing. So with that being said, I would like to say, everybody, thank you so much for joining the stream. This was a very short stream. London was somewhat a little bit more movement. I'll be back tomorrow for London session, so we'll see. London is going to be open tomorrow, so I'll be here from 2 a.m. Eastern Standard, and there will be a short MyFunded TV stream as well, and we'll see if the market will move better tomorrow. All right, so thank you so much. It was a pleasure to see you guys in the New York AM session for a short stream. Thank you for the support. Use the code TOMSABO up there for all these prop firms. And when the MyFundedFutures giveaway comes out, you can also use it with that. But it's obviously up to you to support your favorite trader, streamer, or whoever you would like to support. Thank you so much. God bless you all. And, you know, you guys are amazing. So God bless. Cheers, everybody.